And then all of a sudden, I don't quite get this day. It's also Barbie and a blender day. I'm not sure how good that drink would taste. Hey guys, check it out. It's Bagpipe Appreciation Day. Check it out, I got my pipes in a bag. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? That's right, 1858 was the first continental communication across the ocean. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Good, they can hear us. Whoa, whoa. It's nothing like walking on stilts. Check out Ron McDonald. And it's also Scotch Day. I'm not sure if those 2 days should go together now. It's kind of hard to walk on stilts and whoa, drink Scotch at the same time. Good thing I was using these as my stilts, because you'll notice they'd also be my crutches when I fall.
What are you doing?
Oh, I'm sitting here eating some Chilli Dogs. Who they're called? I'm so chilly.
Whoa, it's Bugs Bunny. Look, Bugs. You know why? It must be Bugs Bunny Day.
That's right. It's New Jersey Appreciation Day. Never been to New Jersey, but I'd like to give them a shout out. Hey, New Jersey!
That's right. As you can see, we're walking our pants, because it is walk your pant days. Come on, buddy. Let's take you for a walk. I'm walking my pants. Bye-bye. Y'all come back, you hear?